Leverage scale allows you to enter and maintain discount information in the system that can be used to calculate the net quantity on scale tickets. In this example, I'm already logged into the scale application and I'm going to create an inbound scale ticket. As the grower comes into the elevator, I can go ahead and enter in their customer information. I can also capture the farm and field if I want that the commodity is coming from. Also, if the commodity needs to be split among multiple individuals, I can indicate a split group. In my example, I'm going to have it go 100% to the grower. I next can then enter in a commodity. And you can see it has defaulted in a disposition and a discount schedule depending on the commodity and location where I am, where the elevator is located. You can indicate in settings if you want a disposition type to be defaulted in. So in our scale configuration, there is an option to set a default disposition. I can set it to none, so no default, no disposition defaults in on the screen. I can set it to sell or store if you allow growers to store some commodities at your location. You can also indicate if you want the net quantity and shrink to be printed on scale tickets, or you can toggle this off if you don't want those, the net quantity calculated in shrink to be printed on scale tickets. So back in our inbound ticket, we've now entered in the commodity, and we can see that the grade factors that have been assigned to that commodity automatically display on the screen. Leverage scale does interface with grain analyzers. So if you do have grain analyzers in your elevator, those can automatically be brought, the sample results can automatically be brought over into the scale application. So what I'm going to do is actually send a sample from one of the grain analyzers over into the scale, which now then automatically assigns the sample to the scale ticket. I then, as the truck rolls onto the scale, I can capture the weigh-in amount. And based on the grade factor information, I'll go ahead and assign a pit to it so the driver knows where to dump that commodity in the yard. I could also capture grower information, more information on the vehicle license plate, that sort of thing. Since I've got all the information I need, I'm now going to send the truck out into the yard so he can take the truck and dump the commodity, and I can then take care of the next truck in line. Once the grower has deposited the commodity at the pit and come back in, all I need to do is go to my trucks in the yard and grab that ticket back up so I can capture his weigh out amount. In this example now, I'm not hooked up to our outbound scale, so I'm going to manually enter in a weigh out amount. But you can see based on the grade factor values that I had and the discount schedule, the system has automatically calculated the net quantity for me. It's automatically calculated a shrink and then reduced that and given me both the gross quantity and the net quantity on the ticket. Now I can go ahead and print this, and it'll print the scale ticket out. And again, depending on the setting that I've indicated, in this example, it will print that net quantity and shrink on the ticket. And that's how the leverage scale will automatically calculate net quantity for you.